What's something people don't know about HVAC efficiency? I'm talking about dampers, the unsung heroes that control how air flows through your home or building. Dampers play a crucial role by directing airflow to different parts of the building. In this video, we'll break down what HVAC dampers are and how they work behind the scenes. Hi, welcome back to SR HVAC. Let's get started. This is why you need HVAC dampers. A damper in an HVAC system is a movable plate or valve that regulates airflow inside ducts. It can open, close, or partially obstruct the duct to control the amount of air passing through. Think of it like a traffic controller for air, directing, blocking, or adjusting air to where it's needed most. Without dampers, air distribution would be inefficient, leading to imbalances. Dampers help maintain system efficiency by ensuring balanced airflow and reducing the workload on your HVAC system. If you're a homeowner, then you need to understand the importance of dampers in your HVAC system. They improve comfort by balancing temperature across rooms, ensuring that every space in your home feels just right. By directing air efficiently, dampers reduce energy use, leading to significant savings on your energy bills. You need to hear this if you're a homeowner or HVAC technician. Section 3. Types of HVAC dampers. Scene 2. Volume control damper, VCD. Used to control airflow in ducts, adjusting the volume of air delivered to different areas. It can be manually or automatically adjusted to either restrict or allow more air into a duct. Scene 3. Motorized dampers. These use electric or pneumatic motors to open and close automatically, common in smart or zoned HVAC systems. Scene 4. Zone dampers. Used in multi-zone systems, each damper controls air to a specific area based on a thermostat. Scene 5. Fire dampers. These are critical for safety, installed where ducts pass through fire-rated walls. They automatically shut if high heat is detected, stopping fire spread. I bet you didn't know how dampers work in your HVAC system. Most dampers rotate blades inside the duct to control airflow. Manual dampers use a lever for simple control. Automatic dampers use actuators that receive signals from a thermostat. The actuators adjust the blades to regulate airflow. The control system ensures optimal airflow and energy efficiency. Section 5. Key components. Here are the main parts of a damper system. Damper blade, the moving plate that controls air. Frame, holds the damper in place inside the duct. Actuator, an electric or pneumatic motor that moves the blade. Linkage, connects the actuator to the blades. Control system, includes a thermostat or smart controller. I bet you didn't know how crucial dampers are for your HVAC system. They come in various types and play a key role in managing airflow. These components quietly ensure your comfort and help control energy costs. By understanding how dampers work, you can optimize your HVAC system for better efficiency, reduce your energy bills, and maintain a comfortable living environment. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more HVAC tips, and hit the notification bell to stay updated.